Hi everybody, it's Mr. Jax. I just want to take the time to apologize for the lack of footage on the video you're about to watch. And the reason for this is that while I'm trying to create content for you guys, I still have to run and operate my own shop, which is a metal fabricating and woodworking shop. And sometime through the project, I just forget to press record. It's not intentional, I just forget. So please bear with me while I'm getting the hang of this YouTube stuff, and it would be awesome to have you guys along for the ride. To show your support, you can share, like, and subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you. Enjoy the video.